Romaine Healthy. This is the channel, if you haven't seen us before, where we convert your favorite recipes with animal ingredients into plant-based recipes. So we boost the health and we don't sacrifice the flavor. In fact, we make it so much better. So today, I have a special friend, Michaela Brown. She's our neighbor and a really good friend, and she is going to help us make, you know what we're making?
No.
Pumpkin chili. So 'tis the season, it's fall now, and this is a really easy recipe. It's a very filling, and it's good for people that do eat meat and don't eat meat, and you will love the taste.
It also has a lot of cans.
And a lot of cans, true. So now it's time to prepare our ingredients. So this probably takes the longest, and it still doesn't take very long. So we're gonna cut our onions and our peppers and open all the cans and get ready for our pumpkin chili.
Tomatoes, beans, and yeah.
Woo.
For onions. One.
This was vetoed.
Yes.
You know what pumpkin's good for?
Your taste buds.
I like that answer.
My family's doing great. I do all the cooking, except for the meat cooking now.
Oh, you're helping.
I do all the carrots and corn.
You know what's really neat? You know, why do you think kidney beans are named kidney beans?
Let me guess, because they're shaped like a kidney.
Yes, and you know what they're good for?
Kidneys.
Bingo. So awesome.
2 houses down, so it's easy to just come up and ask the same questions about like, it's on, sizzles on, the sizzles.
So you want to buy the canned pumpkin without?
Because we went to North Carolina with the Joneses.
That's us.
Yeah. And they're vegan, that's why I had a whole week with them cooking. Miss Amy does a great cook. She's a great cook, by the way.
And I'm not paying her anything.
This is just for fun. Last time we recorded, someone forgot to record.
I'm not the best videographer. Luckily, I cook better.
Is that a thing? It smells like farts. Oh gosh, it stinks.
So what made you want to be vegetarian?
They taste good and they're good for your body and good for the animals that I should try it.
Ooh,
So
could have said it better myself.